Hello, I'm Amelia Bennett. My presentation is on the effects of electromagnetic radiation, or EMR waves. We are surrounded by this potentially hazardous energy, and multiple studies have shown the negative effects it has on living organisms. The purpose of this experiment is to see the changes in pillbug behavior over a prolonged period of time being exposed to electromagnetic radiation. At the beginning of this experiment, I cleaned out their containers once every week and tested them every 3 times a week, along with their sources. All the subjects are fed the same amount of food, same type of food, and receive the same amount of moisture within their enclosure. There are 3 subjects. Subject 1 is exposed to no radiation, subject 2 is near the internet router, and subject 3 is near the microwave. I used the timer on my laptop to get the numbers for how long it took for the pill bug to go down the paper towel tube. I used the flashlight on my phone to track where the pill bug was inside the paper towel tube and to convince the pill bug to go down the tube since they do not like bright lights. I tracked my results inside my research journal. I fed the pill bugs a piece of romaine lettuce every week while also spraying down the container with 3 pumps of water every day. I obtained 4 containers for the pill bugs, 1 for subject 1, 1 for subject 2, 1 for subject 3, and 1 for the extras that aren't part of the experiment. I put 5 holes in each of the lids, 1 on each of the corners and 1 in the center. My setup has these containers right here and the paper towel tube, which is represented in these 3D models. I found that the pill bugs have a decrease in speed whenever the electromagnetic radiation levels peak. The sources I used were very similar in their provided data. The lows of the internet router and of the microwave were very similar. Also, the high levels of the internet router and microwave were also very close. This photograph was taken by me. It is of one of the subjects. This is subject 3. My hypothesis was correct, in which if the radiation levels were higher, the pill bugs would slow down. The pill bugs did react to the radiation, but some issues I found while this experiment took place was that they like to fall asleep in the tube facing away from the flashlight. They also like to go on top of the tube and hang from there and not move. So I started twisting the pill bug back down to the bottom. Another way I kept the pill bugs from falling asleep inside the track was to tap on it. During the experiment, a few times I forgot to change out the paper towels within the container because I was not present to do so. Electromagnetic radiation, or EMR waves, do affect the behavior of pill bugs. All of the images are taken or generated by me.